Welcome to Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel. So in this video, I'll talk about the prediction and analysis of Tesla stock price fluctuation for the next week. So next week is the first week. It's also a kind of a short week because of July 4th holiday. So this is the Tesla weekly chart. This is the Tesla daily chart. So in June, there's a big significant increase in Tesla stock price increased. So this is the last week, so 4 weeks ago, and it's almost the stock price went dropped to here, exactly dropped to this bottom yellow trend line. So it's about $213, and then these trend lines, all the trend lines have the increasing trend. So the stock price keeps on increasing, even though there's still some kind of a fluctuation. But when it goes to this week and it opened here, and then it also increased to this middle yellow trend line, during these 3 weeks. So the trend lines are also increasing and increasing trend, and when it moves to this middle yellow trend line, so this price is $275. So from this $213 to this $275, it's almost like increased by $60. So if you have 100 shares, then you will earn $6,000, and if you have like 200 shares or even 500 shares, then you may earn up to maybe like $30,000. So in just several weeks. And this week, the weekly high is on this middle yellow trend line, and when it dropped to the bottom, to the low, it exactly dropped to this the blue trend line, and it's almost this is the top blue trend line. So the fluctuation is exactly captured by these two trend lines. And last week it opened here, and it once dropped down to this, but it didn't exactly drop down to this middle blue trend line. So already many people want to buy it, and started to have reversal, and then finally it closed here at this price. Didn't exactly reach to the middle yellow trend line, and you can see from this daily chart, last Friday it opened exactly on this middle yellow trend line for the daily chart, and exactly increased up to this top yellow trend line for the daily chart, but this price is still below the middle yellow trend line on the weekly chart. So next week, the early next week, is still have the strong increasing momentum. It may even open high around this $264, or maybe even on this $268. So it may have some kind of a fluctuation, may drop it down to this yellow trend line for the daily chart. This is about $260. So in case it may drop it down to this $258, but generally it still have a kind of a relatively high increasing momentum, and in the increasing trend, the fluctuation range for the early next week is around this $268 and $260, or maybe around $258. So next week, the fluctuation range is likely to be located in this, between this price $251 and $273. So it may exceeded this top trend line, but it still have a very good chance to reach up to this top yellow trend line for this weekly chart, $271.8. So it may increase a little bit more, so it depends. So but we just need to be cautious if in case if this support can be supported and it was a breakthrough, and then it may drop down to this middle blue trend line, but general fluctuation is expected to be between these two trend lines. Between these two trend lines and the top yellow trend line and this top blue trend lines. If you are interested in this kind of analysis and prediction, you are welcome to subscribe Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel or watch more video in YouTube.